I was hired as a PE teacher, and they enjoy that because they get to play basketball, and that's what they like to do. And I think that's the avenue I can use to really get to know the kids. So we play together and we have a good time. But I wanted them to be exposed to more things than just playing basketball in the afternoons. A year ago, I know nothing of coding, never coded anything before, and I just went to a workshop and got my feet wet, basically, and learned alongside of them. They helped me learn, and I helped them learn.
You got to define what turn right means.
This is an alternative school, so we pull kids from all over Beaufort County. So by the time students get here, they feel like this is their last chance or last opportunity to make something of themselves.
Make a new drawing. She drew some.
Through using STEM, they can learn life skills, such as problem solving or asking the right questions.
You just started with the if-then statements, didn't you?
Yeah.
They're a little frustrating sometimes.
Yes. Gives me a headache.
Part of what Amy does is excites the kids about school. They don't know they're learning when they're in her class.
Here's smoker lung tissue.
To them, it's fun. The kids are learning that they are able to do more than what they or their families thought they could do. They're able to challenge themselves in other classes.
Oh yeah, this is it right here. I never heard of coding. These things that she got us in here having experience to do, we probably do that like once a year in a big high school.
It's coming at you. Oh, they hit me in the head.
Like in our 11th grade year, we might try one of these. But we in here doing all of these, like that's amazing to me. That's a good privilege.
At first you got your speed too high.
If they respect you, then they're gonna do what they can to reach whatever bar you set for them. So I set the bar high, and for the most part, they reach it. Definitely learn to be patient with them, because each student needs something different, and they need something different day by day. A lot of the kids struggle at home and bring those struggles with them to school. They have babies that they get up and take care of and get to daycare, or you really never know what they're coming in with that morning.
We've got students in this alternative school that are doing things that our traditional high school students are not doing. She has a passion for the students. I mean, she really wants to make sure that they have exposure and opportunities, and they benefit from having a teacher like that.
I learn a lot from my students. They really do get into your heart. They're like family. They're like my own kids. Definitely want them to realize that they are not throwaway kids. They do have passions and talents and things that they can offer this community or wherever they find to fit in. They make my job really enjoyable.